Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the adaptive brightness on your Android phone. So if it keeps getting light when you go inside or it gets dark at certain points and you don't like it changing all the time, you can easily just set this and turn it off. So you can adjust your brightness right here, but it's going to automatically adjust. So let's go down to settings, going down to display, and we're looking for adaptive brightness. Go ahead and just simply turn this off and it won't get lighter or darker as you go about your day. But now I'm going to go and increase this. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.